Hello, my name's Ian Black. I'm the Dean of Newport Cathedral, and I'd like to invite you to join us on a journey through Lent in 2026 as we go round the 6 cathedrals exploring different themes from Pancakes to Palm Sunday. Each week there's a Bible study, a Bible reading, followed by a reflection filmed in each of the cathedrals, and then some questions to help us journey through Lent, exploring themes from pancakes and feeding and food for the soul and for the body, pilgrimage and persistence. We go to Brecon Cathedral for penitence, down to Llandaff for praise and thinking on Mothering Sunday about those who mother us and all whom we mother in faith. Over to Newport for passion, thinking about urban living and social concerns, and then finish off in St Asaph with a look at Palm Sunday, power and the William Morgan Bible. We look forward to joining us. If you go to the website, you'll see that there is a link for the trailer, and that will give you more information about the course.